Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm going to get back to uploading a lot more. I know content's been a little bit off lately. I haven't really posted a lot of, I guess, good content. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just post little short videos here and there of what's going on with the car and what I'm doing. So today what I'm trying to figure out is this headlight right here. It's not coming up and down like it should, and I have an issue where the ground, it's shorting out on the little battery housing thingy. So I'm gonna try to fix that. I don't want to put a post on it, or because I don't want to put a post on the battery, because what happened, it'll hit the motor for the battery for the headlight. So what I'm doing is I'm using the screws and I'm putting them down in there, screwing down the wire onto the battery. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna add a little bit of washers around it and see how that helps it, if it picks it up off the you know what I'm trying to talk about, that stuff. I'll show you guys. So what's been happening is when I put this the negative on, it's hitting on here. So I'm trying to avoid that. So what I'll do, I'll probably add a little bit of washers and pick it up off of it a little bit so that it won't short out. So that's what I'm gonna do for this side over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this nut right here, this one, and I'm gonna put underneath like this, so it sits on top and it's not, the negative doesn't sit on this case right here. I'll probably also do the same thing for the positive side, and then I'll figure out why the headlight right here isn't going up and down. Alright, so I got that on there and it raised it up quite a bit, as you can see. So this is not hitting right down here anymore. It's not sitting on it. You see the little gap right there? So that's not sitting on it, so that's good. Now I just need a spot to ground this, which will be somewhere around here. What I'm gonna do is also gonna add a little heat shrink around the end of this positive. It had a little wire coming out of here. I snipped it off. Then I'm gonna just cover this up with heat shrink so this right here don't touch anything, and then short out anything on the car. Alright, as you can see right here, the headlights are down. I'm gonna try to flick it on to see if it comes up. See, I'm only getting one to come up. Like this one isn't coming up at all. I don't know why. Doesn't seem like it's stuck on anything. It goes down just fine. By the way, these LED headlights are awesome. I can't wait to actually drive them and use them. They're high beam and low beam. So I don't know why this passenger side headlight will not come back up at all. Also, this is my other issue right here. The car's off and the rear lights are still on. I can't get them to go off at all. I don't know if I'm missing something. You MR2 guys, let me know. what could be the problem, or what do you know of why my rear tail lights, my park lights, are constantly on even when I shut the car off. Now I got the turn signal to work. This side is working also, but why is it that the brake lights won't go off, or the parking lights or whatever? When I step on the brake, they don't light up. And not that I thought there would be any issues, but bumper fit, you can see down in there, clears it quite well, so no issues there. I definitely did not think there would be an issue though, but just had to check, you know. Alright, I truly feel like I'm never gonna get this car finished. There is always an issue. Like every time I feel like I'm getting somewhere, there's an issue somewhere else. Like now that I've figured out the battery situation and where to put it, where to run the wires and all that stuff, now it feels like I'm having an issue with the tail lights not going off. I know it might be a small issue, but I don't know what it is. The tail lights is just staying off for some reason, and it will not go off at all when the car is shut off. Also, the passenger side headlight will not come back up. It just seemed like it goes down, stays down. Headlight will turn on, but the headlight itself will not come back up at all. I don't know what it is, man. I'm just working through little stuff with the car. Every time it seems like I get one step ahead, I feel like, you know, it's 2 or 3 steps back. So I'll get the car finished when it's finished. I'm tired of, like, honestly dealing with it and worried about it. I'll just go work on the motor stuff, get the motor running, all that body and the extra stuff. It'll get worked out eventually, but that'll be it for today. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Check out the storefront, yada yada yada. Kind of fed up right now. Peace.